Okay, so today I got this typical Onity hotel style lock. Very common, used widely around the world. Very old, doesn't look like it's ever been torn into except maybe once to reman it. Only problem with this one is for some reason it's just not catching when you trip it. This part right here doesn't turn with it. So we're going to tear into this and see what we can't figure out. So now that we busted those 6 out of there, that's the only 6 you gotta have to get this cover off. Slide this out. Oh wait, sorry, I got one more. Knock that one and then we'll be good to go. Took the wrong one out on the top. Now we're good. Pop this cover. And up under here is where your catch mechanism and all that is. So we're gonna pop these 2 screws. And as you see, it just fell apart. So there's our problem. Doesn't look like anything's actually broken. It would appear that the spring had just came out of the little holder right there. So we're gonna put all that back together, reassemble it, and see what we get. Alrighty, now that I got everything stripped down, I'm gonna get it all put back together. Make sure and align that, of course, with the top of your plunger. 2 short ones go on the inside. And now that I get to this point, let me tell you, you don't have to take these out. Alrighty. Back in action. Got a good spin. Let's see if it works before we put the cover back on. Swipe our card. We've got turning, so let's make sure it works both ways. Sure does. Look at that, doesn't work either way, obviously, unless you swipe the card. When you swipe the card, easily works both ways. So, can't beat that. Let's get this cover back on there, get it all put back together, we'll be good to go. All back together, ready to ride. One final test. Let you look right down the barrel of it so you can see what's going on. Go this way. See right now, obviously, no catch, nothing either way. Now it catches. That's all you can ask for. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.